To the brand new channel Fringe Talks Tech. This has been a long time coming, and in today's video we are going to be looking at a simple product, a dimple product, a cute product which everybody might need. This is the Portronics Konnect L. Why Konnect L? Because of the L shape, obviously. This is a type C to lightning cable, charger cable. So this is a very useful gadget. Now I know many of you guys will be thinking, why such a elaborate video for a small cable? Many people will not know that there is a product like this. This is going around 209 rupees in the Amazon website right now. There are different variations for this. You get a USB A to USB C, you get a USB A to lightning, and then you get USB C to USB C, USB C to lightning. So you get so many variations, all around 250 to 150 rupees. So very affordable. And in this, if you guys can see, it has 20-watt support for output, and here you guys can see in the side of the package it says tangle free, 1.3 meters cable length, which is pretty insane, and then fast data sync. I don't know why I need fast data sync, but okay, I guess. And nylon braided. This is a very good braided cable. Now I have the USB A to USB lightning USB one, but that is very old. So I thought, okay, I need to purchase something new. Now let us open the box and see what we get in the box. Now this is the first time I'm doing a tech review. This is like, for me, I'm a noob. I'm a gaming YouTuber, and I thought, okay, you know what, I love tech, I need to open stuff and I need to show you guys. And everything that is being reviewed on the channel will be in the description, so make sure you guys go check it out. If you guys want to see what headphone I'm using, this is the gaming headset by Ant Esports. Please leave a comment, I will definitely review this. I have the box, I have everything, so I'll make it professional, keep it like as if it's a new piece, and I will review the headphone as well. Really good headphone, so make sure you guys leave a comment what you want to see. I'll be doing small reviews like this in the beginning, and in the future we'll be doing big reviews. Now this is how the cable looks. So very sturdy cable, so very long, lengthy. Look at the face cam, you can't even fit it in the face cam. It starts here and ends here. So this is a type C to lightning cable. As you guys can see, type C to lightning. It is very, how do I say it, very durable. It looks very nice, it looks very durable. I'll show you guys the old one that I have, which is USB A. Why do I shout? I have a camera here. This is why I'm telling I'm a noob. I am new to this. This is type A to lightning cable. This is also Portronics. This is also same brand, but this is a very old version of this. If you guys see here, same L shape and Portronics. Now the difference between this and this build, you guys can see how sturdy it looks. Just the difference in the connector of the L shape, it looks so nice. Look at that. This is so small and flimsy. This is so, it's thick, and I feel like you'll get more life and more protection out of it. This I bought for 150 rupees, the USB A to lightning, and this I bought for 209 rupees. I'll put all the difference variation in the description. Make sure you guys go check it out if you want to buy for yourself. Very cheap, very reliable. Now let us actually connect and see if this works. Okay, I have my 22-watt Portronics fast charging power brick, guys. I bought this very long time ago. I don't even remember. So we'll connect this here. Am I connecting it properly? Type C. Look at this. Look how neat it looks. Even if you guys put it on a wall, no, like next to your bed or something, it won't be a hindrance. It is very nice build. So you guys might want to try it out. Now I got my trusty iPhone, beat up iPhone 10, iPhone X, whatever you want to call it. Instant plug-in for an instant charge. The main reason for me to review this is for all the gamers who play mobile games. If you guys look at this, look at how my hand is. If you guys play 4-finger gyro, 5-finger gyro, or even 3-finger, it will be easy. Play BGMI, play COD Mobile, anything, it will be easy to hold. You won't put pressure on the cable. In case, imagine you use a cable like the normal standard cable, which is this one. If you plug it in, wait, I am struggling. If you plug it in and if you hold like this, you are putting pressure on the cable. What happens is, if you put pressure on the cable, it will keep pushing down and your charging port will become weak. So best option is to go for something like this L-shaped those who are playing while charging, those who are streaming. Like me, I am streaming my main channel, Mr. Friend 19. Go check it out. This is a really nice product. Now hopefully this video was good enough for you guys to subscribe and all that good stuff. Make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment. My first ever video on this channel. If you liked, please do subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more, hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment. I will see you guys in another small tech video like this. I'm telling you guys, this is the first video. I am a bit nervous. I am not a professional tech reviewer, but I love gadgets a lot, so I'll be bringing to you guys small things, useful things that everybody needs, but sometimes it will slip our mind and we'll be like, okay, I need this, but what do I need, how do I need, why do I need, if I have this it'll be nice. It makes life simple, it just makes life simple. And this is a 20-watt charger, and then I have my 22-watt fast charging brick, so it is gonna be helpful. It is gonna charge my phone, my iPhone X. The camera that you guys are seeing here, this is iPhone XR, so it will be helpful to charge all the Apple products faster. If you guys have Android, Type C is there. If you guys are using the latest iPhones, Type C to Type C is there. I leave a link to everything in the description. Make sure you guys go check it out. I will see you guys in the next video. Check out my main channel. Everything, links to everything will be in the description. I will see you in another one. Bye bye. Take care, guys.